Hello everyone, welcome back to another theme park obsession video. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for tuning into the channel. Today is Cinco de Mayo and I'm at Universal Studios Hollywood to try out the all-new Cocina Mexicana. Used to be the Plaza Grill and they've changed it permanently to add some Mexican food. So how about we try some of the offerings? So yeah, like I said, this is now permanent. It used to be Plaza Girl and they used to have like hamburgers and chicken fingers and all that kind of stuff. But now they've added some Mexican food offerings, and I actually like this because it gives the park more variety versus the same kind of stuff over and over again. I don't know, I'm just kind of tired of the hamburgers and hot dogs. So having tacos and burritos as an option now is pretty nice. Again, this is now permanent, so they do have margaritas, they have beef taco salad, they have wet chicken burritos, beef tacos, chicken tinga tacos. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that completely wrong. And they also have a vegan option for the beef tacos, which is awesome, and it's only $1 more. And out of all the offerings, I think we're gonna get the chicken tacos. It's still the same setup, so you order around the corner right here, and then you walk over here to the pickup window, and they'll tell you on the screen what order is up next. And then around the corner is where you get your drinks as well. All right, so this is what it looks like. You get 3 tacos, you get a lime and some chips. Unfortunately, they don't have salsa, which is kind of a bummer, but the tacos look pretty good. I do have to say they are a lot smaller than you think they're gonna be. I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger, but once we got them, I was like, oh, okay. It's a little bit smaller than we thought. By the way, Michael's joining me today and he's already eating the chips. Looks like we have some cilantro, some onions, some cheese. Looks really, really good. It is $14 after tax. To be completely honest with you guys, it's probably really good, but I don't know if it's worth $14. You can go to City Walk though and get a pretty good sized meal for the same price. All right, here we go. Gotta get that lime on there. Ooh. All right, here we go. All right, so one, they are pretty small. Honestly, this is like 2 or 3 bites. But the chicken's really good. It's pretty flavorful. There's actually quite a bit of flavors going on here. The chicken's really tender. It was cooked really well. It does need salsa though. Like some salsa would be really good. Maybe another lime. I would ask for more lime, and then if they do have salsa, we didn't ask for some, I just figured they didn't have it. But if they do have salsa, definitely ask for salsa because I feel like it just needs something else. Other than that, it's pretty good for a soft taco. All right, it's Michael's turn to give it a try. Hopefully he likes it. It needs salsa, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's very dry, and there's a lot of onions in here, so if you're not a fan of onions, then I would not get this. But yeah, they could probably use some salsa, like big time.
Yeah, they're...
Or more lime.
Yeah, like the meat is tender, the meat's not bad, it's just...
Yeah, the meat's fine.
It just needs more to it. Mm-hmm. And honestly, they're a bit pricey, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, $14 after tax is pretty pricey. Honestly, this should be like, maybe like, what, 9 or 10 bucks? Mm-hmm. I don't think that's worth 14. It's just, it's really good. I recommend getting it if you don't mind spending the money, but it's just too expensive. Like, I get theme parks are supposed to be expensive and everything, but not that. But is it good? Yeah, it's really good. Is it something that like would fill you up for the rest of the day? No. This is honestly like an appetizer. That's what it looks like. You can go to like any Mexican restaurant and they probably give you this as an appetizer. Looking at the picture on the menu, it looks like, what, twice as big? And when you get it, you're like, oh, they're like mini soft tacos. They were definitely trying to do like a street taco kind of vibe, but I would have done 4 tacos just because of their size. I mean, they're not that big at all. So maybe 4 tacos and some chips and then salsa on the side. And then for like an upcharge, they could do like guacamole. But they didn't have, did you see guacamole? They didn't have guacamole. Yeah, so honestly, it's all right. It was, the most disappointing thing again is just the price. Food is good. Price, not so much. Well, that didn't take long. Nope. All right, as an added little bonus, we have one more churro to try, and that's the Fruity Pebbles churro. So how about we give that one a shot? I'm excited about this one. So here's what it looks like. Looks like a Fruity Pebble churro to me. It also looks like it's incredibly sweet. Michael's gonna try it first. Was it good? Was it better than the tacos? All right, here we go. That kind of tastes like Trick cereal too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. It's definitely got that Fruity Pebbles vibe, and it also has a Trick cereal vibe too. So if you're a fan of both of those cereals, you're probably gonna really love this. Honestly, a dipping sauce with this would be pretty good. I think out of the 6 churros that we've tried, I think this one and the strawberry one are at the top. The strawberry one is by far my favorite, and this one's probably a close second. Well, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because I have new content every single week and you won't wanna miss out on that. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Hope you guys had a great Cinco de Mayo, and I'll see you next time in the parks. Bye.